Hello, I'm Ramya Vishwanathan from Zeshta Biotech. Zeshta Biotech is the first firm in all of India to have a license to produce medicinal cannabis. I'm going to touch very briefly on the subject of medicinal cannabis and what the size of the market of medicinal cannabis is expected to be like. Medicinal cannabis in a way binds us to the ages. Its first use was in China, I believe in about 2700 BC, and the first recorded use of it is in 180 in China. In fact, medicinal cannabis continues to be used as a component for Chinese medicine to date. Over in Africa, it's been reported to have been used in the 1550s. Physicians have recorded its use in Roman times. In the Arab world, it's been used from the 8th to the 18th century. And in India, it's been used for several years. In fact, the first commentary on its use dates to about 1000 BC, and it continues to be used in Ayurvedic formulations. It's long been used as an analgesic and an antispasmodic agent. What we see now in the flurry of news, in the flurry of research around cannabis, is really just a new chapter in a very long history of use. It's considered today one of the most exciting opportunities globally, with research ongoing in a range of areas from cancer to Parkinson's to asthma to arthritis and several others. And it's very versatile in that it can be orally ingested, it can be inhaled, and it can be applied on the skin. There are two FDA-approved cannabis-based drugs already in the market, Epidiolex and dronabinol. The human body, interestingly, has something known as the endocannabinoid system. The endocannabinoid system produces its own cannabinoids. Endocannabinoids are produced in the brain and the tissues, and they act on cannabinoid receptors called CB. So there are two of these in the human body, CB1 and CB2. Now, the body produces endocannabinoids for a range of reasons, including as a stress-relieving response and as a pain-relieving response. Cannabis has been recognized for medicinal use in almost 50 countries now. In India too, it's been approved for medicinal use, and the first state to allow this is the state of Uttarakhand. In India, public institutions like AIIMS, the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, NIMHANS, and the Tata Memorial Centre have evinced interest in cannabis and research around cannabis, and this is something that's ongoing now. The current market size of cannabis, medicinal cannabis, is estimated to be in the range of about $20 billion and growing very fast. The CAGRs, or the cumulative annual growth rates, are expected to be in the range of 30%. And two of the things that we believe will impact this market are rapid legalization and rapid research in the area of cannabis medicine. India too is likely to be a large market. We have 1.4 billion people, with 40 million people in middle class. There's likely to be a fairly high demand for products in the wellness space, in the beauty space, in medicines, and as food supplements. We as Zeshta are the first company to have a license for medicinal cannabis in India. We hope to, along with other players in the market, build an ecosystem from the bottom up. We believe medicinal cannabis could be the answer not just to a range of ailments, but being a cash crop, it could also be a source of growth for revenue, it could be a source of growth for farmers, and it could be a source of growth for the Indian economy at large.